Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install Shazam on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search Shazam app from here. Click on Shazam. If you want to install Shazam app, click on it and you will see your app is installed. After click on install, you will see app is showing on your app screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Shazam on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.